to kiss me.
What is Canva? Canva is a free online design platform that allows you to create a wide variety of visual content. Whether you want to make posters, infographics, presentation, videos, or worksheets. Canva make it simple and fun even if you have no background in graphic design. It works both on computer and mobile phones, and it's very user friendly. What is it used for? Canva is mainly used to design creative and professional-looking materials. It has 1,000 of ready-made templates for different purposes, like school project, social media posts, resume, and educational materials. You can drag and drop elements like text, pictures, icons, and even music or videos to personalize your design. It also has a lot of free photos, fonts, and illustrations that make your project look great. How can it help in language teaching? Canva is an amazing tool for both teachers and students in the language classroom. For teachers, Canva can be used to create engaging lesson materials such as vocabulary flashcard, grammar charts, interactive worksheet, or eye-catching presentation. This helps make lesson more interesting and easier to understand. For students, Canva is a great way to practice using English creatively. They can create digital storybooks, posters, or about different topics or presentation slides while using the language they are learning. This encourages them to write in English, expand their vocabulary, and improve their communication skills in a fun and practical way.